say that the person is painting blue or painting yellow. Traditional approaches can be classified in two. In the bottom-up approaches, which come from the family of learning, where the idea is to get a lot of information from the low-level features, package them together, build models, and these models are later searched in a new video for recognizing an activity. Other type of approaches are where the humans intervene, and these are mostly supervised approaches and called top-down approaches. And here the idea is to manually define descriptions of what we are expecting, and going down to the video to find these events to say that activity is happening. So in our work we will try to do something hybrid using the best properties of both, of learning and supervised, and a little bit of supervised of the human intervention. The state of the art is very wide, but we can follow some taxonomy, starting by splitting the approaches in two. And a single layer approach is representing the bottom-up approaches and hierarchical, mostly top-down approaches. I will go fast through some approaches, topology for calculating both. So for instance, here you have the person preparing the meal there at the bottom of the kitchen, and you would have it here with some sequences of blue and light blue. Here the person is eating in red, and you will have the same thing here, where the person is eating in red. Here you have a long sequence of green, and it's the person sitting in this chair here, and this person never sits there, so you don't have it in this sequence. So we have talked about the type of primitivism, which at some point talks about the global position of a person, of movements of a person. Let me say some words of how we treat the local motion of the person, because it's another added value.